Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today's date is July the 13th, and what you're looking at here are the marigolds that we started off in a video quite some time ago. I'll link to that at the end of this video so you can check it out. But look at how big these are. They are amazing. Really healthy. You can see the size of this plant. It's huge. There's going to be some nice flowers coming off of that one. There we can see one starting here, right there. But yeah, I'm very impressed. All from seed, so it just shows you that you don't have to buy marigolds in the little pots that you usually see them at, you know, at your local grocery store, hardware stores, Walmarts, etc. And there we have it. All from seed. So that's it, a really fast video for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you on the next one.